year, the provision was, the revised RE, 416.74 crores. And this year, the budgetary provision is 409.43 crores. That means the information, the IB, which is supposed to collect the intelligence, their budgetary provision has come down. And on police force, last year it was 13,910 crores. It is marginally increased by 29 crores in this year, when we are talking about modernization of police, better intelligence gathering. So internal security is something which really needs to look at in a different way. So my absolutely the last point is pertaining to savings. Sir, the savings rate of the economy is now 32.4%. Sir, this is a very healthy thing. But China is probably close to 50%. So I think the entire effort of the government should be how to improve a savings rate. And if you want to do that, I think one of the way to look at it is the household savings. Only 11.7% is now in financial. So most of it is now getting into physical savings, like they are acquiring houses and properties and others. So I think there should be a great effort made by the finance minister to mobilize more savings, and with our efficiency of using our investment for a better productivity as better than China, I think if more savings rate would mean more investment, which could really result into some tangible benefit.
Thank you.
And therefore I think the finance minister must make an effort to do that. So while concluding, I would say that is budget. We were all hoping that with the economy growing so well, with the fiscal situation improving, if not consolidating, the finance minister would take certain bold measures to take India where real place lies. Unfortunately, this budget has failed to accept the challenge. Thank you, sir.